So today we're working on finding the surface area of a triangular prism, and there's our triangular prism, what it looks like for us. And we know that a triangular prism is made up of two congruent triangles, one at the front and one at the back, they're the same size, and three congruent rectangles that make up the size. If you can find a Toblerone chocolate bar at your local grocery store or Walmart or anywhere, you'll notice that the packaging they use is a triangular prism as well. You have your three congruent rectangles on the sides, and then we have our two triangles, the congruent triangles on the ends. The same way we find the surface area for a rectangular prism is pretty much the same for a triangular prism. So remember, you want to break apart the faces, and we want to find the area for each one. And a quick reminder, an area is length times width. Except if you're using a triangle, the area for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And down here, the area for a rectangle is length times width. So we want to find that for each one. We're going to start with the triangles. I used my ruler and I measured one of the triangles already, and we'll notice that here it has a height of 3 centimeters and a base of 3 centimeters. So we know that that's 3 times 3 and then divided by 2, and that gives us 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 centimeters squared. We know that the other triangle is congruent, so we can do the math again, but it's going to give us the same answer because congruent means the exact same. So here we have base times height divided by 2, which is 3 times 3 divided by 2, which equals 4.5 centimeters squared. Moving on to the rectangles now.
Mr. DeFranco, please call 401.
You can see that the rectangle here, we have a length on the bottom. The long side is 19.2 centimeters, and I've already measured it. The side here is 3 centimeters. So we're going to do length times width this time. So that means we're going to take the length, 19.2 centimeters, times that by 3 centimeters, and that gives us 19.2 times 3 equals 57.6 centimeters squared. And again, because these are all congruent, they're all the same size, the matching size of the rectangles, they're all congruent, that means we can use the same answer for each of it. They're all going to be 19.2 centimeters by 3 centimeters because they're all congruent. And we already know the answer to this question. They're all 57.6 centimeters squared. And now our final step, just like rectangular prisms, we add them all up. So let's use our calculator. 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 57.6 plus 57.6 plus 57.6 equals 181.8 centimeters squared. Don't forget your centimeters squared. And here's a couple tips as we wrap up, just to remind you. Same steps as a rectangular prism, except you have a different formula for finding the area for triangles. We have to do base times height divided by 2. And you can speed up if you know if you're using congruent shapes. You know you can speed up because they'll just give you the exact same answers. Hope that's helpful. If you have a Toblerone bar, be sure to enjoy it once you're done your math. Have a good day.